78 degrees, 537. Humidity 59%. Our wind south at 6 degrees. Yes! We're here.
Providence.
Yes!
The carpet giant.
Nice. Bigger discount. It's got now.
There it is, the stage right there, bro.
Oh yeah.
That's where we're playing.
Oh, dude.
That's where we're playing.
We're here.
That's, dude, that is where we're playing.
For her. The big fancy lane.
We're in the Biltmore. This is where we're living. Yeah. Willy Wonka Vader. The Wonka Vader.
Should I wait till it turns green?
Nah, usually it's quick. Do a quick one. Sound of Urchin treats you right, man, I'm telling you. What do we got a view of?
Is there a bar?
Yeah, I know, right? There might be in there. Oh, look at this thing.
What?
The fucking, got a little ottoman.
Yeah.
It's like the fucking, like, White House. It's got the old, like, Lincoln decor. Oh, yeah, yeah, do some work. Do some intern work.
Yeah, do inventory.
Sound of Urchin.
Sound of Urchin, can I get for you?
This is our intern.
Yeah, oh.
Goggles Paisano.
What do you need? Oh, sure. What time? 4:30. Yeah, we can work that out. How many strippers?
Nice. All right.
It's Michael.
It's a beautiful morning. She's Michael. Janet. Everyone getting ready. The big day. Gravity Gate. There it is. We're all the way at the far end over there?
Yeah.
That's where we are.
Right by all those tents.
That is, yeah, actually I can see it through here. That is nuts. It's my man Jesse, running the events today. Keeping his wits about him. Hey, we're gonna go find that food thing, right?
For archival purposes, right? This is,
oh yeah.
You're gonna have to talk to my attorney, man.
The food tent.
Hello. Huh?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
I don't know who this guy is, man. They gotta get this guy. They gotta get this guy out of here, man. I don't know who he is. I don't see any laminate on him. He's talking shit about Ozfest or something. No. I thought I saw it before when you were bending over. Oh, that wasn't you. There we go.
Hope you got the thing up.
Dude, there's a skateboard in there. Let me get it.
But you know what? I saw the genesis behind the music the other day. This is a fact, and I'm gonna be the first to say it right now. I am the first to say this: that if you go watch the genesis behind the music, Phil Collins looks exactly like Kurt Cobain. When Phil Collins had hair in the early '70s, I swear, watch the behind the music. He looked exactly like Phil Collins looked exactly like Kurt Cobain, and it's really funny. Oh, thank you.
So there you go. You're like,
So,
Whoa.
with Dudie Brown, Reverend B. Hill, Hollywood Scotty Chop. You're watching the Gravity Games on CTN. Extreme.
Give it up for an RCA recording artist, the sound